So we're going to learn how to foam roll the calves. You're going to need a nice soft area with some space and a foam roller. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take that foam roller, you're going to put it down in front of you. You're going to get one leg on the ground and one leg on the foam roller. Your hands will be supporting you. Make sure the palms and the shoulders are lined up. You never want the palms too far away from the shoulders as you use your other leg for support and you go back and forth on your foam roller. This is more of a warm-up technique because we're going to be going back and forth creating pressure. If you wanted to cool down, you just kind of hold and relax on the muscle in different sections, but instead of relaxing different sections, since this is warm-up, we're going back and forth. We rotate the foot out. And we could also be doing some pressure drills. This would probably be better as a cool down technique. You find a knot and you can break up the knot by either using toe slaps or toe circles. You can go clockwise and you can go counterclockwise. And then you go back into your rolling technique. And once you've done enough rolling on one side, if it's warm up, don't do any more than 30 seconds per side. Then you switch off to your other side. Make sure you have that good alignment. If you needed support because you can't keep your weight up and keep your glutes off in the air, then you should put some pillows underneath or some kind of support at the gym, like maybe some air pads or something. And same exact technique. And once you're done and you've done both sides, you can move on to your next foam roll technique.